and today it is my immense pleasure to brief you about the company and the immigration program to Canada. So first I will start with some of the brief about the company. Our company actually established in 1986 and we are here from last 27 to 28 years into this immigration industry, and we become a very trusted and respectable name in the international immigration industry. And we have 6 active branches in UAE, starting from Abu Dhabi. Then we have head office in Dubai. We have actually 2 offices in Dubai. Then we have in Sharjah, Fujairah, Al Ain. So that we can provide you a very systematic services from our side. We have served around 11,000 clients over the period of time. And the last year we have served around 250 permanent resident visas. We have huge fan following on Facebook of 500,000, and if you visit our website you will get hundreds of testimonials of our successful clients. And we provide full-fledged services starting from the launching your profile under Express Entry. Express Entry is the program of immigration to Canada, and this is the most mandatory thing what we are providing in terms of our services, that launching your profile under Express Entry. This is the most typical and sophisticated procedure so that we can start your applications under Express Entry. Then after, we provide some post-landing services as well. We have very good respectable contacts in Canada because our owner of the company is native Canadian only, Kathleen McDonald. So we will start sending your CVs once you sign up the deal with us to our respectable connections and networks. And we serve our services to Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Portugal, Cyprus, Dominica, St. Kitts, and business investor for the USA. Apart from this, we got Pan Arab Excellence Award twice in the last year. Now I will explain to you about the immigration program to Canada. Actually, immigration is purely based on quota system. Quota means how many immigrants any particular country is involved. So you can say that immigration is actually based on quota system. If the quota is open, you can start your application for any of the immigration program for any of the country. If the quota is closed, you need to wait for the reopening of quota. So nowadays the program which is open, or the immigration department, the specific immigration department of Canada came up with the new program is known as Express Entry. And by the name itself, you can judge it's a fast track program in which you might receive your permanent resident visa within 6 to 9 months only. Actually, previously we have another program which has been closed down, that is Federal Skilled Workers Program, in which we have a specified skilled workers list of around 20 to 25 people only. Let's say if they need doctors, nurses, engineers, they put it down in the skilled workers list only. If you are in the list, you can apply. If you are not in the list, you cannot apply. But since it's an open job category program, so anyone can apply from different educational backgrounds. And it's a fast track program, I told you. You might receive your permanent resident visa within a time frame of 6 to 9 months only. And the Immigration Department of Canada is just inviting 305,000 immigrants through this Express Entry program. And once you be in the pool of Express Entry, your profile actually become accessible. In the first time of history of the immigration of Canada, your profile become accessible to the provinces. There are 10 provinces in Canada, the direct Canadian companies and recruiters, and of course the federal government of Canada. So these are the advantages of this Express Entry. And the Immigration Department of Canada has given 3 to 4 criteria so that we can fit you people as the applicants in this Express Entry program. So these are, you have to be in the age bracket of 18 to 44. However, some of the provinces is taking below 50 as well. Then you have to be a paid job experience of 1 year, and you have to be completed at the minimum side high school. And the last one is IELTS, means it's an English country, so we need to appear in the IELTS. And basically there are 2 types of IELTS. One is academic and another one is general. And the immigration department of Canada is just need that general one, and general is the easiest. So these are the criteria of this express entry program, so that we can fit or we can analyze your profile, or we can judge that you are eligible for the program or not. And if I explain to you about little bit about the privileges of this permanent resident visa of Canada, is just fabulous. You will get the nationality if you stay in Canada or work in Canada just for 4 years. You will get all the medical facilities free of cost. You will get free education for your children up to high school. You will get all the social and welfare benefits, same like what Canadian people have, instead of one right only, that is you cannot vote. So these are the privileges of this express entry. And to start your application, we have our professional fees. You have our references in your hands actually. Can I take one? What we do in the seminars, monthly we do seminars for different countries. We have a very defined and very proper team for immigration or processing department for different countries like Canada, Portugal, Cyprus, for different countries. So what we do in the seminars, we give a very good amount of discount so that you can avail very good things or get discounts in the seminars. So we have 4 modes of payment. First of all, first one is 12,000 dirhams deal. That is installment payment plan, in which you need to pay only 2,000 dirhams as a down payment. Then after you need to pay 1,000 on a monthly basis for 10 months more, because this is a 12,000 dirhams deal. Then we have 11,000 dirhams deal. Same goes for this one, 4,000 as a DP. Then 3,532 gives for after 3 months and 6 months. Then we have third mode of payment, 10,000 dirhams deal, 5,000 as a down payment and 5,000 after 3 months. The best mode of payment or the cheaper one is the last one. This is just one-time payment plan, and this is of 8,000. And today we are giving 2,000 dirhams discount as well. So now the floor is open for the question and answering part. If you have the questions regarding the immigration program, you can ask. And after that you can meet me in person in our cabins as well.
This is all costs covering everything?
This is our professional fees. Once you get the invitation from the Canadian government side, then after you need to pay the Canadian government fees as well.
How much? So overall, how much?
Yeah, for the you are married?
No,
Single. For the single people, the application fees is 2,500. And after that, once you fly to Canada, they will stamp your visa. They will charge the fees of around 3,500. So in total, for the single applicant, we have a fees of 5,500 approx. That fees you need to pay once you get the invitation. Previously, you need to pay these government fees once you want to start your application. But the benefit of this program is that once you get the invitation, then after you need to pay the Canadian government fees.
Okay, but actually, let us just be more aware about the professional fees, including what actually for us. What's the benefit we will get from you here?
The benefit you have started. Actually, this consultation is free, this seminar is free. And once you sign up a deal with us, first of all, we will make one retainer agreement signed by the owner of the company. Then after, we will start making your partial profile. In the 24 hours, you will get the welcome mail from our company side and the checklist, the necessary documents which we require to launch your profile under express entry. And we will start sending your CVs to our connections as well, and we will start making your profile under express entry.
Totally how much around for merit person?
For the merit people? For the merit applicant, the application fees is 5,000. Then after the stamping fees is 5,500. So in total, the fees is approx 10,500.
Almost double from single.
Yeah.
So who is you are advising who is married?
No, actually there are two different things. For the married people, in some criteria they will get good points. In the for the single applicants, in some of the criteria you will get the good points. but it's not like that. They will love their wives actually, because you know, yeah, their wives can support in terms of their IELTS score and the educational credential assessment.
That means you're saying it will take for 1 year to visit Canada.
Sorry, please attend.
It will take for 1 year to process the visa.
It will take another 6 to 9 months. Once we have all the necessary documents from your side, we will start launching your profile.
For guarantee of visa, any authority?
Yeah, actually, it is purely in the hands of the Immigration Department of Canada. We are here to provide you A to Z services, to launch your profile, to assist you, to coordinate with you from A to Z aspects, so that we can make your profile and we can launch your profile under Express Entry, and we will give you other assistance like sending your CVs to our connections. And once you fly to Canada, we will guide you where to get the accommodation, how to open the bank account, how to obtain the driving license.
About the job?
Yeah. I told
Okay,
you.
as per the skills only, they will going to provide it the job.
We have a very defined connections and networks in Canada because our owner of the company is native Canadian. So once you start, once you sign up the deal with us, we will start sending your CV to our connections.
Okay.
If they like your profile, they will contact by phone or by Skype.
Okay, then only you will going to charge for this much amount or no?
You need to pay if you want to avail the services from our side. You need to sign up the agreement.
Okay.
Then after you will get all the services from our side.
Sorry, can you explain the point system, how it's breakdown?
Previously, we have to calculate the pointing system, that is somewhere around 67, but that Federal Skilled Workers Program created the backlogs. For example, if you are the owner of the company in Canada, you need the lower segment of employees, then middle segment and top level. Okay, but since we have only 20 to 25 skilled workers list, so it created backlog in the Canada. So since it's an open job category program, they have just provided the criteria so that they can take the applicants and immigrants from different job profiles.
Sorry, so I didn't get the answer, sorry. So there's no point system, or is there a point system?
There is pointing system, but now they have given 3 or 4 criteria only. Later on, once we launch your profile, they will give you the appropriate ranks and points. But since it's a pointing system, but it is purely based on criteria now. Because it created a very good amount of backlogs because of the previous program. So now they want the immigrants or the skilled workers starting from lower segment and middle segment and top segment.
So all the processing will start after the payment only.
Yeah, but you will start or you will avail our services once you sign up the deal, once you are ready to do the agreement with us.
So what about if we are doing some education currently, we can wait after that or we can continue?
Yeah, I told you, there are 3 to 4 criteria. Starting from your education, at the minimum side we need high school. The better you have, it makes your chances superior and better.
So some of the agency they are telling we need the academic IELTS for the job visa.
No, we just need you are talking about IELTS?
Yes.
We need general one only.
For the
General
express entry
Yeah,
only.
general
Even
training.
if they are providing the job visa, they
Yeah.
are preferring the academic IELTS or not?
No, it's not like that. To launch your profile under express entry, we just need the IELTS in general trading only.
Can you give the detail what is required? Detail for this?
You come late, I think.
No, he's asking about some logs for details. To read something, to get some knowledge about
For the IELTS.
You said for her, she needs the IELTS to get the express visa. Can you give more detail?
Yeah, there are 4 criteria so that you can launch your profile. You have to be in the age bracket of 18 to 44. There are 8 job experiences years. Then at the minimum side you have to be completed with your high school. And the last one is IELTS. There are 2 types of IELTS, academic and general. Yeah, we need the general. And it's very important. So more questions?
Sorry, What about the finances? Do I need to have,
Yeah, very good question. Yeah. For the single pupil, they just need to check the funds of around 15,000 Canadian dollars.
that's into 3.67, is it?
2.81.
Yeah,
2.81.
you can convert later on.
2.8.
I think-
But this will be either in the shape of fixed asset or either in the shape of funds in the bank.
And for married?
For the married means around 24,000 Canadian dollars.
Canadian dollar 2.81 dirhams.
More questions?
I just beg your pardon on what you just said.
Tell me.
I beg your pardon on what you just said about.
The gentleman is asking about the funds. Once you get the invitation from the Canadian government side, then after they need to check the funds that you can sustain your livelihood for 1 month, because it will take around 10 days, 15 days, or let's say 1 month to get the job in Canada. So for that they need to check the funds in your account, either in the shape of fixed asset or as a statement in your bank. So it's just 15,000 Canadian dollars for the single applicant, and for the married it is approximately 24,000 Canadian dollars.
Sorry, one silly question. What's your rejection rate? Do you probably normally process all your candidates?
Yeah, we provide our services for Canada, then Australia, New Zealand. For the second passport, for Portugal, Cyprus, Dominica, St. Kitts, and we have investor program as well for the USA. Yeah, more questions? Any query? No? All clear? So the people who want to start their application under Express Entry,